Alright, this is a tutorial on how to do the Unit 1 project called the Toledote Hunt. What you're going to need to do is come to a website called Venngage.com, and you will need to create an account. Create your account with an email that you regularly use and a password that you can remember, because I won't be able to remember it for you. But once you've created an account, you'll be able to create an infographic. So you'll click on that, and I would just recommend creating a blank one. And this is essentially what it looks like. Once you've done this, this is when you can start putting text and pictures into your infographic. And so I'll just give you an example of how to do a couple things. If you want to put text, you click on text and you just take that and put it on there. It says, hey, double click me to edit. You double click and you can edit the text. We'll just make this our title, the Toledote Hunt. There's all kinds of things you can do. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the size. I'll just make it really big. And there we go. And you have to come back to your box here and make it big so you can see, but then you can move it anywhere you want. So that's how you put text in. If you want to add an image, you click on the image and we'll just upload it from my computer. If you're using the school computer, you can just save images to the download file, and then they'll get eventually deleted later. So I'm going to upload a picture from my desktop. We'll just use this one. It's a picture I found of Noah, and then it says upload. So there we go. So if I wanted to put a picture of Noah in there, now I got one. And so to actually do this project and figure out what you need to put into this infographic, you will need to read the instructions on Schoology, and so they're just found in the Unit 1 project, Toledote Hunt. So there's the things that you need to include, so you'll need to read that. But when you want to submit it, and this is probably the most easiest to do on a computer or maybe a tablet, but when it's time to submit it, you just come and click Submit Assignment and hit the Create option, and then you're going to want to put something inside that box right there, and here's what you're going to need to put in. You'll go back to your Toledote, your Venngage, and then it says Publish. So you click on Publish, make sure it's public. I can only see it if it's public. If you leave it on private, I won't be able to look at it. And then you can click on the URL. It'll give you your own URL that you can use. So all you need to do is cut and paste that into the box there and click Submit. And that's how you submit the assignment. It's as simple as that. So that's a brief tutorial. That's about all you should need to know for now. As far as what you can do with Venngage, I'm going to have you figure that out on your own in the computer lab. Maybe you can talk to a friend and see what they've figured out and what you can do. There's all kinds of things you can do to make a cool infographic. But make sure you carefully read the instructions on Schoology and have fun with this. It's Mr. Jones signing off.